In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to read messages without opening them on Messenger. Did you know that you can open and view messages that you receive on Messenger without the sender noticing? Well, this helps you quickly assess the importance of the message, prioritize your time, and avoid the pressure to respond immediately. To do this, simply head to your Messenger. In the message section, let's say this person has sent me this message. It can either be 2 or more messages. To read them without them noticing that you read their message, simply open up to see the messages. After viewing and reading everything, simply get back. Slide rightwards and select on More. You will then click onto this option of Mark as Unread. On both your profile and their profile, it will show that you haven't yet opened the messages. That's how easy it is to unread already read messages on Messenger. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.